start for the
So yung sapatos ni Clint Escamis, Halloween theme,
yeah.
Di ba? Green and orange. Okay,
And here we go. The Golden Stag will have the first crack at the basket. As Escobedo will be losing that first possession, but they will remain possession.
So ito yung kailangan nating antabayanan, Nick. Kasi pagdating nito, Nico, pagka duma-downhill si Escobedo, kinaklag na lang yung lanes eh. So dapat ma-recognize na may libre, pwede niyang bagsakan ng bola.
And medyo hinanap sa kanya on that last time out sa kanilang talo as he sinks his first basket.
Okay. Okay, finally. Here we go.
Sabi nga, anong sinasabi mo?
Ano sinasabi mo dyan na kailangan ipasa? Good matchup to, Escamis, Escobedo.
As Mapua missing on their first attempt from downtown. Still here by Mapua Cardinals.
Errant pass.
Parang pinalitan eh. Escamis scrambling. And he will be fouled.
At saka ito rin yung antabayanan natin. Si Escobedo at saka si Are, the past 4 games, laging isa sa kanila pumafoul down. So, importante sa kanila, si this long jumper, is for these two guys to be staggered. Pagka sa laro, pag wala si Are, nasa loob si Escobedo, and dun sa dulo, mapagsasabay sila, makakadiin.
As Escamis, he struggled last time around, still missing in his first attempt.
Shooter shoot. Ganyan naman, pagka hindi pumapasok, pukul ka pa rin ng pukul.
Nakausap nga yan si Clint before the game. Sabi niya, tira lang ng tira. Ganun talaga.
Ayun ang role niya. Yun ang role niya eh. Tsaka pagka MVP nga na-earn mo na yung right na yun.
As he was called for a traveling violation.
So not the best start para kay Clint Escamis, but it's still very early in the game.
Yeah, last time around, 6 out of 32 sa 3 points. Itong Mapua Cardinals, yung kay Escamis doon, yung field goal niya lang, 2 out of 13. Talagang struggling last time itong Cardinals.
Might be one of the main causes ng kanilang pagkatalo because where Clint goes, the Cardinals will go. And pag wala yung main focal point ng opensa nila, hindi makaabutas, medyo mag-aalangan. Mahihirapan sila makatawid ng panalo.
As the Golden Stags answers back with their own turnover. Mangubat to the top. Swings it to the left. Jumps. Miss. Rebound itong Golden Stags.
Mahirap kalaban sa rebounding kung San Sebastian dahil nakikipagtalunan to.
As Pascual missing also from long range. Escamis attacking. Bantay, nawala. But Mapua still has the ball. Escamis pa rin ang bola. 13 to shoot. And he was fouled on the way up. Ito na rin ang cue natin to get Flo Del Agua. Masabi niya ang kanyang first report. Flo, ano yan?
Nico and Coach Hammer, aside from the fact that both of these teams are aiming for that redemption, you would not believe the similarity that they have. I am talking about the coincidence of top scorers Clint Escamis of Mapua and Paeng Are of San Sebastian, both having 0% from the 3-point line in their previous games. Clint was definitely disappointed by this, kaya agad siyang nag-500 makes in their next training and stayed true to his hard work. Para naman kay Paeng, alam niya na siya ang napag-iinitan ng depensa, but the only way to overcome this is to share the ball and focus on assists because he is the point guard after all. Hopefully, outside shooting won't be an issue for both players. But in the meantime, back to you guys.
Thank you, Flo. Coach Hammer, sabi ni Flo, both ng top scorers nitong team struggling from their last game. Really, 0 from the 3-point shot.
Ganun naman talaga, may mga araw na hindi ka makakabutas, pero anong gagawin mo after? Paano ka babawi? Paeng Are, magiging more of a facilitator. Si Clint Escamis, pag feel mo, pupukul at pupukul yan. Dahil yan talaga ang rule niya dito sa kanilang koponan.
As the San Sebastian Golden Stags, mapuputukan ng 24 rito. Balik ang bola sa Cardinals.
Tapat-tapat lang ang depensa dito ng Mapua. Playing high percentage basketball, just blocking the penetrations dahil magaling umatake downhill. Etong koponan ng San Sebastian.
Coach, we saw another turnover from the Golden Stags. Halfway through the season, they are #1 in terms of committing turnovers.
Understandably so, dahil they are the team that plays with the most pace gusto nila ng ratratan, takbuhan, dahil they have the guards that can play that way.
And that time, nawala na naman ang bola mula rito sa Golden Stags.
At saka magandang tignan na stat is to compare gaano karami rin yung turnovers ng kalaban nila pag sila yung kalaban.
Yan.
Kasi napipilitan tumakbo din yung kalaban. So, what are they averaging? Yan yung titignan mo sa opponent's turnovers. Kung mataas din, ano yung differential? So, parehas lang pala sila nagtatapon ng bola. So, laging yung numbers can be skewed to the data that you want to see.
As Jubilia was fouled on his way up. Ito naman si Jubilia, number 1 naman in terms of committing a foul. Yun yung dapat niyang ingatan talaga.
Suki yan. Kasi mataas ang work rate naman ito ni Chris Jubilia. He likes to mix it up underneath the basket. He wants to get rebounds. He wants to set screens and high activity. And adjusting dahil freshman pa lang si Chris Jubilia. We've seen him in the juniors, but again, it's a whole different animal when you're playing in the seniors na.
Pride of Muntinlupa City. Itong si Chris Jubilia. Mapua gets another crack at the basket. Mintis lang din. This is their 3rd try. Jubilia, sabi ni Coach Hammer, hard worker.
Oh! At saka kanina kausap ko siya before the game started. Nag-shoot siya ng free throw. Sabi ko, pre, medyo marami-rami ang ititira mo ngayon laro. And this is his second trip on the line. That would be his 4th free throw. Sabi sa kanya, mga 12 ang ititira mo ngayon. Dahil you have to understand what are the habits of your opponents. Itong San Sebastian, mahilig tong sumundot. So pagka umatake ka ng madiin at talagang isinungalingal mo yung bola papunta sa ring, pipito at pipito ang referee or makakuha ka ng basket.
And Jubilia sinking his 2nd free throw. Kita natin itong si Felebrico entering for the first time to replace Ricio.
One of the best offensive rebounders naman dito sa ating liga ngayon, si TJ Felebrico na. Medyo bumaba din yung laro the past, during this losing skid nila.
Yeah, on their last time out.
5
points for Tristan Felebrico.
So there was a point in the early part of the NCAA that Felebrico was averaging 5 offensive rebounds a game. Mabigat yun para sa kanila and it provided a lot of hustle points. Pero habang tumatagal ang season, bumabagal ang laro eh. Kailangan mong umexecute. So nakahunt down yung mga mismatch. And this is another foul for San Sebastian.
I think Felebrico.
And this has been their habit. Lagi di ba? Parang each team has their blueprint kung ano yung mga ginagawa. San Sebastian likes to gamble on steals. So pagka ikaw, mafa-foul at mafa-foul kayo. So you have to be patient on using your screens dahil and tight with your ball security. Kasi pagka medyo tutulog-tulog, aagawan ka nun.
Scam is now at the line for 2 shots. Yung una niya, pumasok. We have a slow first quarter, Coach Hammer.
Oo, mas babagal pa yan dahil penalty na rito Wala pang 4 na minutong lumipas sa ating first quarter. Penalty na itong koponan ng San Sebastian. And that's another pair of free throws coming up para dito sa Mapua.
Golden Stags really having a hard time here defending cleanly para rito sa against Mapua Cardinals. As Egliane, siya naman ang pupunta. At the charity strives for 2 shots.
Saka importante yan, mga cheap points. Kailangan nakukuha mo yung mga pachicha-chicha na yan Yan yung mga makakatulong sa'yo. Towards the end game, it gives you enough confidence to attack and enough points to be contending.
Mark Egliane from Marikina City.
Saka fighter yan. Pagka kumuha ng bola, fighter yan. May role yung mga ganyan nila sa pro, semi-pro leagues. Wala na pala semi-pro ngayon, lahat pro na. Pero laging may role kasi kumukuha ng bola, nagsiset ng screen, good teammate.
Those solid picks, malaki na itutulong ng mga ganun
Oo.
As Golden Stags scored another here.
Si Lintol, kakapasok lang. Jump hook agad. Tamo, lapad ng balikat
Yun yung dapat yata equipment mo sa mga ganitong laban.
Actually, sa NC, kailangan may mga big man ka talaga na ganyan. We see a scramble here for the rebound.
Another offensive rebound for Mapua Cardinals. Pero wala silang nakuha doon. Ang bola babalik sa Golden Stacks at magbabalik tayo para sa tuloy-tuloy na laro ng Mapua at San Sebastian. This is NCAA Season 100.
The shoot gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadaña. Fourth to shoot. Guadaña fires a jumper. It's goal! Maclad Guadaña. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the tree. No good. And now PU Pirates survives another close game in this NCAA Season 100. Winning this game.
Almost halfway through the first quarter, we're still at 6-4, where Mapua is leading by 2 points as we see that shot mula kay Lintol. At sabi nga namin, it's a slow first quarter because of fouls. Early penalty for San Sebastian Golden Stacks.
Pero kung ikaw ang coach ng Mapua, gusto mo yung ganitong pace kasi nakakakuha ka ng puntos, tapos kailangang i-inbound ulit yung bola, kailangan nakaka-set up yung depensa mo na hindi laro ng San Sebastian. Because when San Sebastian plays, helter-skelter talaga.
Takbo ng takbo no?
Lagi ko the past few weeks, whenever I cover them, I always tell my partners, si Anton at si Martin, na after ng game, nag-ice bat ako kasi para rin ako naglaro.
Ramdam na ramdam mo yung mga takbo nila.
Ramdam mo pagka rumaratrat sila. Pero ngayon, again, they are saddled with foul troubles.
As Felebrico was fouled on his way up. 2 shots para kay Felebrico.
No, foul talaga. Sinalubong siya nung braso ni Mark Igliane.
Coach, what we also observe mula rito sa dalawang koponan na ito, medyo baliktad ang mga contribution from both teams. Mapua relying more on their starters while itong San Sebastian Golden Stacks relied more on their bench points. Kaya nung nakaraan, San Sebastian naghahanap ng tira mula sa kanilang mga starters. Only 27 points ang starter points nila versus Perpetual.
Because tinatanggal Usually ang coaches, they want to scout. They want to scout and take away your strengths. Una-una si Payangari, tatanggalin niya ng kahit sinong team. Yan ang unang scout. Susunod si Escobido.
Yes.
So sino yung mga nasa bench na angat? Kaya siguro, the thinking of Coach Arvin is bringing Payangari off the bench para mas madiin yung atake. Tsaka si Felebrico. Kaya si TJ Felebrico, starter yan dati as a power forward. Pero ngayon, extended minutes si Escobido. O maiksi pa yung dumaan. Marami lang talagang foul. Kaya mukhang mahaba na yung nilaro niya.
Yeah, and what's most important for Coach Arvin, sabi niya kanina, is there will be enough energy at the end of the game.
Oo. Yung finishing kick. Kumbaga, yung at the final turn. Kung sa karera ng kabayo, yung huling palo.
As Gabat missing, but this is the second try. Hindi lang natanganan doon. Bababa. Ito mga taga Mapua. Hubilia bumps, drives and shoots.
Specialty of the house, open court basketball. Yung pinakagandahan na small forward, yung naglalaro ng power forward para sa'yo, na malakas kumuha ng bola, nakaka-rebound, tapos nakaka-bust out agad sa transition.
Golden Stacks has the leather. Now Gabat losing that ball.
Reckless
scrambling. Jump. All possession goes to the Mapua Cardinals. As we see that high-flying Chris Hubilia, walang pakialam sa depensa. Itong si Lintol.
Nakapasok kasi yung balikat na dun sa dibdib ni Lintol. Nung pag-angat ng konti, pag tumalon papunta sa kanya, end one pa. Kung pwedeng maging ganun yung tawag.
As we're seeing Payangari for the first time in this game. Pinasok na ni Coach Arvin. Escamis. 15 to work with for the Cardinals. Escamis gives it to the right corner.
Basic basketball, downhill attack. Wala pa gaano tinatakbo dito na patterns ang Mapua. They just go one-on-one, strong side help, corner 3.
Ang nakatira doon si Cuenco. Isa rin sa inaasahang guardia nitong si Coach Randy.
Downhill lang. Dire-diretso downhill. Pwede titignan lang sa yung libre kasi si Escamis hasang-hasa na rin sa ganyan dahil sanay na siyang nakakakita ng mga packages na naka-focus sa kanya yung depensa.
And you love that package for Clint Escamis. If he's not scoring, he's orchestrating the offense. As we saw another foul from Mapua Cardinals. Wala pa naman sa penalty, malayo pa. Celebrico, medyo kumukuha ng puntos.
Dapat, kailangan nila ng boost dito dahil mababang scoring natin dito pero parang hindi pa sila nakakakuha ng buwelo. Talking about the San Sebastian Golden Stags.
Yeah, maybe the insertion itong si Paeng Are could do something for Golden Stags.
So, Yam Concepcion naman yan. Papalitan si Chris Obilla. Tsaka meron mga mahabang player tong Mapua. Ito si Concepcion, Sabonete. Sabonete, okay din to na big man. Solid din to.
Bancale. Now in the game. Career high last time. Check yung Bancale.
Good check out of that zipper screen option.
8 to shoot. Escamis fades. Fires and shoots.
Tough shot for Clint Escamis, but
parang nakita ko na yun.
Just one rip move.
Are gives it underneath. Escamis. Tatakbo. Binigay kay Bancale. Mintis dito.
Tsaka picking his spots dito si Clint, ha? Looking for passes.
Scrambling for loose ball once again. Are fakes.
ISO to.
Are dire-diretso. Naku, naipit. Good thing. Another teammate is there. Mintis doon. Mapua ang bola. Bancale tatakbo. 3-on-2 fast break and scores for Escamis.
So Clint Escamis now finding a crease on that defense, filling in the lane and finishing in the fast break.
Golden Stags has the leather. Celebrico. 13 to shoot. Paeng Are. Binigyan ng pick dito. Look at that defense. Naagaw ng Mapua. But Paeng Are, look at the hustle from Paeng Are and he scores!
Nawala na yung bola. Naging game 2 pa. Good job kay Paeng Are.
Sabi sa inyo, insertion of Paeng Are could do something for the Golden Stags. 5 na lang, hinahabol nila. Magbabalik tayo dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.
Off the bench for Lozano.
Magkakamukha, magkakatindig yung mga player ng Jerry. Di mo na alam sino yung pupukol ng pupukol eh.
They send it back out to Goho Cruz.
Good
He will
challenge.
pull the trigger, but he will knock it down. And that's the scoring caliber that he has. 7 points for the rookie, Mark Goho Cruz. Quick trigger time.
It's a slow first quarter for both teams, lalo na rito sa Golden Stags as we see that fade away from Clint Escamis. At ito kanilang fast break, another point. 2 points mula rito kay Clint Escamis as we're saying, the insertion of this guy, Paeng Are, the energetic man from the Golden Stags. 5 na lang tuloy ang inahabol ito mga taga San Sebastian.
One thing that Mapua needs to do right now is to really capitalize dun sa penalty. Dahil ito, nakakuha na nga sila ng buwelo. So, calling this play number 3, libre na naman yung corner.
Laging ganun, kanina pa yan.
Masyadong madali.
Pero si Cuenco, sabi, ilagay muna natin sa ilalim.
Oo, tsaka sakto eh. Hilaw yung close out. Atake ng downhill. Layup, dire-diretso si Cyril Cuenco.
Ramilo gets the ball.
As a foul.
Too aggressive there for Clint Escamis.
Pangalawa na ba yun ni Clint?
Tingnan natin.
Una pa lang.
Una pa lang. What we're saying right now, yung sinasabi natin kanina, Escobedo lumabas muna, Paeng Are, right now giving the needed energy for the Golden Stags.
Yeah, kailangan. Tsaka kailangan masustain.
Aguilar has the rock. Dalawang anti-depensa. Are, di pala sa kanya bibigay. 4 to shoot for the red shirt. Are jumps, shoots and misses. Bancale has the ball now. 1:30 remaining in this first quarter. Eto na naman. Corner. Hilawang closeout.
No, hindi lang closeout eh. Biggest lead of the ball game yan at 9 points. At saka, yung pag-track ng tao on the scramble, malaking bagay yan eh. In transition, yung locating your man. Doon nagkaroon ng back-to-back possession sa may problema itong San Sebastian.
Ito naman ang atake ni Are. Good pass there mula rito kay Felebrico. Hindi lang pumasok.
Ito, secondary break na nga lang yung downhill attack.
That's the second time na ginawa yun itong si Bancale.
Oo, papunta rito kay Cuenco. Back-to-back please pa. Yun ang mahirap doon. Kasi okay lang kung yung una dahil nagkaroon kayo ng scramble. Pero yung pangalawa na almost the same look, mas malapit pa nga si Cuenco.
May mapapagalitan ba, Coach?
Pihado. At saka, as we see pa yung Ari, alam mo, Nico, yung mga coaches natin ngayon, dahil ang ganda nga ng coverage natin, nasa splice nila yung videos from YouTube, from our
Facebook.
NCAA Sports and GMA Sports sa Facebook, naka-live stream. So, kinabukasan yan, pag nag-viewing, pre,
Dalawang beses.
Hindi lang, Brad. Nasartalo ka niyan. Ang mahirap pa dyan, as we see, both made free throws by Ari. Pag nag-transition defense kayo, sa'yo na nakatingin yung coach. Sasabihin, paalala lang, inatake tayo ng ganito. Baka maulit na naman yan.
1 minute, 7 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Mapua has the leather. Pantalyon. Ito yung sinasabi ni Clint na dapat mag-step up din. Cuenco. Under a minute remaining. There's a foul away from the ball.
Masyadong ganado dumipensa itong si Ramilo. Di na halos makahinga itong si Lawrence Mangubat. Pero very smart play. Nagkaroon lang sila ng action doon. Sumaya niya si Coach Randy. Dribble up, pinaposte niya si Mangubat. Kasi pag nagja-jockeying for position at kinikage mo, it's an automatic foul. Tatawagan niya ng referee. Lalo na pagka prior to going down on the block, nagkakaroon na ng contact na parang mo kinikage sa kalaban. So coaching point again for our young viewers.
At alam din ng Mapua na kanina pa penalty itong San Sebastian. Kaya atake. Pero at that play away from the ball. Ako. Ang bola, babalik sa mga nakapula.
Dami nakatutok sa atin ngayon. Daming nanonood, scouting, mga coaches. Coach Francis Cruz. Tsaka yung coach talaga, yung silent assistant ng Letran, si Ate Louie Ricardo Dizon. Ate ni Coach Allen Ricardo yan. Ayan. Watching with the whole family. Baka si Kuya nandoon din kasama niya.
Malamang yan.
Malamang. Lunchtime pa.
Automatic ang bakbakan niya dito sa NCAA.
Good deep.
As there's a block there. Mula kay Cuenco, tatakbo na ang Mapua. 35 seconds sa ating game clock sa first quarter.
16 seconds sa kanilang shot clock.
Cuenco drives, drops. Muntik pa, buti. Natabik ang mga taga San Sebastian. Look at this play, look at this block. Good help by Cuenco. Hindi maka-baseline inbound. Concepcion, 9 to shoot. Sa ilalim, 6 to work with. Mawawala, 3. Great spin there mula kay Habonete.
Wala na mapuntahan si Habonete. Pumihit na lang. John Habonete. Nice looking jumper.
Are! Bitin lang doon. 2 seconds for Mapua. Can they get it? No. And at the end of the first quarter, it's a 10-point lead mula rito sa Mapua Cardinals. Marami pang basketball. Magbabalik tayo dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.